Dito sa Mystery Wakwak. Mystery Wakwak. Ya, basta punta tayo si Buykoko Tagbinson Tadere ya Tadere sa atin kay tao ng upong na kita mo dere.
Looking for sources para sa puntos ng Pilipinas, 41 points pa lamang.
Pakno ba?
This must be about what, 6-7? No, they don't know what to go down to 6-7. He's 27 years old. Let's go bring that. And got me 21 points the last game against India. He did that in just 25 minutes. So very efficient.
Tadere.
He was 13 from the field. Here's bowling.
Arutang ya pakno.
So go ahead to move.
Pangutan na to.
Outside to Roberts. Down to 7 on the shot clock. Nagagawin ni Boris. Right in the lane. Under the defense. Gets it to block.
Tangan to niya pakno. Yo. Diba? Kuha na.
You know, the coach has to do something here. You know, he's trying those guys. But they're tired. So, you know, Boris and Pavoy are both runners. So you want to put them there. Give them their opportunity. You know. So he's not running to keep his defense defender. They tie him up. Brewster lost it. Boris Ayos picked it up. Oh, right runner. Wala kasi focus na pare. The pressure is there. Ang popularity of the opponent not there.
Ano ko lang? Niara na kulira. Yung napadulong. Baka ang kukuha noon. Diba? Kuha na. Yan. Sunod ane. Tulo. Nasa dapit ni. Peter Manho. Peter. Pasar ka Peter. Peter Manho. Peter. Oh. Garambon.
Personal foul. How they do it in one more. And there's no back out. That's a 4-point sequence para sa New Zealand.
Natin ang go ng kulirahan eh. Nya. Yuk ko. Ata. Pas. Kulira pa ng yoyo eh. There's yoyo. Tatang yoyo. Kuha na natin. Sudlo na to ni Pakno. So ata. Areta. Pangutan atas bato. Ini bato na pwede pangutan noon. Yawa ni bato ha. Ito ba kung hindi? Dire ngita tagubot. Bali kuan. Bali 30. Sige kinahanglan pag train bali 30. Kuha na. Oops. Undang dira. Pagka man siyempre pang-up. Kaunom. Dool to na ta. Para. Dool na tang iyo paknoy. Gusto istorya ka na namatay. Tongkat dyan na. Di ba patay? Patay dayon. Kulik dayon ha. Di ba? Galing.